In my last video, I talked about how prop firms will start integrating DXTRADE and CTrader, and many of them already did. Since I've been using DXTRADE for quite a while now, a few months, I will teach you how to navigate it so that when your prop firm will migrate to it, you will not be lost. Brightfunnel has been using DXTRADE since its launch. At first, I was confused, but I think it might resemble TradingView, so you might like it even more. If you don't know me, I'm a founder trader with currently 1.4 million allocation. I've been trading prop firms since 2022, and my goal for 2024 is to reach 6 million. If you want to follow my journey, you can do it here on YouTube and on Twitter. Alright, so here we are on Funded. That's my profile. I will show you all my accounts. I have 4 funded accounts, 4 active accounts. I still haven't got any payout simply because I haven't been funded for more than 1 month, but he will come soon. As you can see, I have many accounts and only 2 breached. Yeah, basically I can't trade anymore, even though I have a phase 2 who is basically funded. I just need 1,000 more. 2 phase 1, 1 almost phase 2, 1 3% in drawdown. Everything else is passed. I cannot trade anymore because maximum allocation with this company is 400k and I already have it. But yeah, whatever, this is not about the company. We are here for the platform, and here we are. So as you can see, it's a web platform, so you don't need to install anything, unlike MetaTrader. Now once we log in, I was already logged in, so you didn't see it, but basically you just have all your accounts here. You just enter your credentials once, and here they're all your accounts, all the ones that I showed you there. Now for some reason they don't delete all the accounts. Now I don't know if the implementation with each prop firm is going to be the same or not. Brightfunded, they remain here. So all the phase 1 you passed, all the phase 1 you breached, same for phase 2, and I guess live, they will remain here. I hope they will change it because this is already a pretty long list. And by the way, I have so many accounts because back in December they had a great offer. Each account you bought, you will get 1 more for free. So I bought 5 and I got 10, and I passed 4. I still have some left, and now I need to wait until eventually I will lose live accounts. Like I said, it looks pretty similar to TradingView. Let's go to the default layout so you will see how it looks like once you log in for the first time. It might seem very confusing, right? So yeah, very confusing. So once you log in, if you see this, don't freak out, you don't need all of this stuff. I don't use any watch list, for example, so you can just take it off. Both positions, don't really need it. Then you have your chart, which is what you actually need to trade. This is the most important thing, right? Everything happens here. First of all, you get your charts, whatever you're looking for here, and there is a huge list of stuff, right? You just write D, for example, and you get everything that there is with D. Asset class, if it's a crypto, CFD, major, currency. So let's go, there has been just now a huge news, so let's go, I don't know, to NASDAQ. And this is 1 minute chart. Here you change your time frame. Right. So once you log in, first you need to remove grid. I guess all of you want to. Watermark, if you are not using, if you don't want it, that's how you remove watermark. Then I usually remove these volume spikes. It's pretty annoying, I guess, especially if you want to trade. It's pretty annoying. So usually I remove it. You just right click, settings, and volume into data. Just volume, click it off, and that's it. So now we have a nice and clean chart. On the left, you have all your tools. First is a trend line. You click 1 point, you click a 2nd point, normal trend line. Settings, all the possible settings are here. You can make it thicker. You can lock it so you can't move it. On the left, you basically have all the drawing tools. Also can draw a path. Like I said, it's very similar to TradingView. Now I don't use it, but for the limited time that used it, it seems pretty similar to it. Now, next important thing is chart type. If you use it, usually I just go for a simple candle chart. I don't even bother to change colors or anything. Drawings, again, it's the same on the left. Indicators, you have a lot of indicators. I don't think, now I don't know, I don't use indicators. I don't think you can add custom indicators here, but you have a lot of them. You just click on them twice, it will appear a new window here. You can make it bigger, you can pop it up if you want. Let's say you have a chart full of indicators. To close the indicators, you just go into indicators and you just remove one by one or delete all. Then again, the same stuff that I showed you before, and you're back to your chart with whatever you want to use. Here you can take a screenshot or whatever, you already know this stuff. Settings, it's the same settings as here. I mean, this is basic stuff, you can figure it out. Another very important thing instead is how to buy and sell, right? Here you can either turn on or off one-click trading. By default is off. And to buy or sell, obviously you click these two buttons and then this new order pops up. This is better than meta quotes, I think, because you can just, everything is here, you know, you can put a stop, a limit, market, OCO. You see how margin you're going to use, you can see everything, like your stop loss, for example, you can put a price, you know, what price do you want to close it? And let's put a low price. So if I open 50 lots with them, obviously they are different from meta quotes. At this price, I will lose $5,000, which is 4.8% of my balance. Or you can put pips. Now they use pips for everything. Technically, this is points for Nasdaq, but whatever. Now 10,055 is basically 100 points and a half. You know, you just add the decimals here. And same for take profit. You can set the take profit based on different stuff. I usually just use pips, sometimes price. You can use balance, I think. I reckon it could be useful, you know, if you want to lose, not lose, if you want to use 1% of your balance, you know, you want to reach 4% target, 2% stop loss. I think it's nice, it's better. Here you can buy or sell. Then nothing, you just send the order and that's it, done. All right, so I just logged into one of my accounts, phase one, and I'm just going to show you how do you actually place a trade and how do you manage everything after. So it just doesn't matter what you click, you will have this if you don't have one-click trading. You know, let's say that I want to sell, you know, let's just put a super low position just to show you. And you know, also you cannot, I mean, you can put it here or not. I will show you both. Let's say a stop loss of 50 points. Like I said, you need to put decimals, and then you basically just send order. So basically you send the order and you get this notification sound. Here there is your stop loss. You can just click it and drag up and down if you want to change it, and then it will pop out again. You modify and you confirm whatever you changed it, you know. So if I want to change it here, modify, and it's done. If you want to close it, you know, again, modify, and then you remove the stop. Now, if I enter the position without any stop loss, let's say you just wanted to enter immediately and you see price action and you're like, oh wow, now I need to put a stop. Just click your position, click add your stop loss, and easy, just add it. Take profit, and done. This is virtually all you need to trade in the new platform, but we will go through some other few stuffs. Now, I don't know every little detail about this platform. Maybe there are more niche things, but so far I got funded without knowing that stuff. So let's close it. Don't really need that trade. And let's go and watch my journaling history. This is a trade I just made right now. You can put tags if you want. Don't really use it to journal. I just use it to watch my history. You can change the date with calendar, last week, last month, whole history. You know, last week I made a huge win. I guess it was a 1 to 3 or something. And that's basically it. Now with this platform you can really modify a lot of stuff. You can add any new tab up here. I don't know how it's called. You can call it positions. Just an empty space. You just give it a name. You can duplicate or not, whatnot, whatever. Then you just add chart or position. Let's say positions, because they called it position. And here it is. So now this tag will remain there with whatever I put in here. Each tab has little other tabs inside it. So like here, I can put another tab for another position. Now we have 2 positions. Don't really need it, useless. But I can put a chart. Chart is where you have technical analysis. Again, an annoying thing about this is that every time you need to remove grid, watermark, volume, and also it resets a lot. You know, when I change accounts, I was looking at I don't know, DAX, and it resets back to Bitcoin. And every time I need to go, you know, DAX, let it load, and delete stuff. Kind of annoying, but I hope they will improve it in the future. We don't need positions, so we can close them. You can put anything, you know, order history, all my orders. Order history is basically every order you have. And yeah, here you can basically add any new tab. These tabs can be main tabs, let's say, like up here, and or let's say minor, like inside, you know. Usually I just use technical analysis and I put a bunch of charts here. You know, in each I go like NASDAQ, and then here I put Dow, and then you just put and trade whatever you want. Euros. Now I want to talk about spreads, but I don't know if the spread will be the same from the companies. I think they will not. They will mark up price. I still don't know if they're using a broker or not with this platform. Bright Funded, I don't know what brokers they're using. I don't know what other platform will do or not. So yeah, to see the spread, you need a watch list. I mean, you can make the difference here, or you can just go into a watch list. If you have a list, good. Default list, and then on the right, just add whatever you want to add. You know, you don't care about change. You just remove it. You want to know the spread, you just add it, and that's it. And you see the spread of all the currencies. Bright Funded has good spreads, and I hope other companies will have good spreads too. Then there is a trading dashboard. It's nice, it's colorful, it's easy to see. There isn't much here. You can refresh the matrix if you just took a trade and you want to see updated. Yeah, basically, like, it seems like there is a lot, but it is not. Like, it's the same stuff repeated a lot of times. Like watch list, we could either add with plus watch list and go to public, or you can just simply click public. You know, it's literally the same. Like, this is all you have. You know, chart, position, watch list, orders, order history. You just decide where to put it, how big you want the window, if you want it to be a main window, a main tab, a minor tab, or whatever you want, right? How to be displayed. You can change balance from dollars to euro. Not really needed that. That was actually a good trade if I didn't close it. Okay, so lastly, very important, we can put alerts included for free. I think many people are paying TradingView for alerts, but here I think you can put as many as you want, but they are inferior. So you go to alerts. If you don't have a page for alerts, you just a tab for alerts. You just go tools and click alerts. Create alert. So let's say I want to put an alert if the price is going up. Now I put an alert, but as you can see, you don't visually see the alert on the chart, which I think it's annoying. And I also think it would be better if you just could right click and put the alert, but that's not how it is. So now I'm just going to show you until it gets triggered. Right now it got triggered, as you can see up here, alerts triggered. There is no sound, just how it is, but at least you have them for free, and you have as many as you want, I believe. Don't really use them. Also, if you have the app, you will also get a notification on your phone. It's a little bit laggy, like my phone needs to be unlocked. Maybe it's my phone fault, I don't know. But I will show you the notification here. So I don't know if you guys can see, right? See? So yeah, I think that's it. I said the main important things. Again, probably there are some other stuff, but you don't really need them. This is all you need to know to trade comfortably for when your platform will adapt, for when your platform will migrate to DXTRADE. Different platform, all your accounts are in one place. MetaTrader, you probably need every time to log into your account. Here you just log it once and they're all there. Only thing is they should really delete them. This is too many accounts to keep track of. Like, what if I keep continuing trading with them for a year? I will have 20, phase 1, phase 2 funded accounts. Too much. They need to fix that. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I showed you briefly the main things of DXTRADE. So what if your platform will go and migrate to it, you will know how to do it and take trades, manage them, put alerts, change accounts, and you will not get lost. It doesn't take a lot. Even if you don't watch the tutorial, I think it will take you like 3-4 days to get used to it. I hope you found something helpful. To me, what I like about DXTRADE is that all the accounts are in one place. I just need to log it once and they're all there. Instead of meta quotes, you need to have either many terminals or every time you need to log in into your accounts. Here, everything is in one place. What I don't like is you really need to delete accounts that you breached or passed. Like, that's a huge list. Like, they really should remove that. It's just annoying. And the alerts, they should have an audio notification, and they should just make it straight from the chart. Now, today, I think, as I'm filming this video, I think Bright Fun has said they're updating the platform. I hope they are fixing the problems. I don't know, I don't want to be too optimistic, but maybe in the future they will. Drawing tools, I don't really use them. Indicators, I don't really use them, so I cannot really say anything. I think it's not as, like, the community behind those indicators and EA are not as big as, I don't even know if you can put EAs here actually, but they're not as big as MetaQuotes. Like, MetaTrader has been out for years, so of course there is a huge community behind and so many more hours of developers. So this is it. I hope you got some value from it. And again, if you want to follow my journey, you can do it here on YouTube or on Twitter.